Hello everyone! Today we are going to work on another subtraction strategy. Since we're really getting into subtraction right now, it's important to know all the tricks that can really help us. And we've talked about how doubles facts can help us, because if we know 6 plus 6 equals 12, then we can think about that when we see 12 minus 6, because we know that they're in the same fact family. Same thing goes when we are subtracting from 10. So this is our subtraction strategy, combinations of 10, and we know our tens facts like that. We've been practicing them since the beginning of the year. We sing our song about them, and we should know them quickly. So knowing that can help us with subtraction whenever we're subtracting from 10. So whenever you see 10 as the first number in a subtraction problem, that is one you know you can solve, because you can think about the tens facts that you know to help you. So what I mean is, here are all of our combinations of 10. We know 1 and 9 go together to make 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 and 7 go together to make 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 5 and 5 go together to make 10. So I'm going to show you how that can help us with subtraction. So if we know 1 and 9 go together to make 10, we know that 10 minus 9 must be 1, because that is the opposite fact, and that is in the fact family with 1 plus 9 equals 10, or 9 plus 1 equals 10, or 10 minus 9 equals 1, or 10 minus 1 equals 9. So knowing this fact can help us with those two problems. Knowing that 2 and 8 go together to make 10, we know that if we take 10 and we minus 8, the answer must be 2. And if we start at 10 and we subtract 2, the answer is going to be 8, because they are all in the same fact family. If we know 3 plus 7 equals 10, then we must know 10 minus 7 equals, well, what goes with 7 to make 10? That's going to be the answer. We know that 7 and 3 make 10, so 10 minus 7 is 3. And in the same fact family, if we know 3 and 7 equal 10, we know 10 minus 3 equals 7. We know 4 plus 6 equals 10, so we know 10 minus 6 equals 4. In the same fact family, right, if we know 4 plus 6 equals 10, we know 10 minus 4 equals 6. If we know 5 and 5 equal 10, we know that doubles facts, right, only have one addition and one subtraction in their fact family. So if we know that 5 and 5 equals 10, we know that 10 minus 5 must equal what? If you said 5, you're correct. Okay, so if you know the combinations that equal 10, you know every subtraction problem that starts with a 10, that we are taking away from 10. You just have to think of that addition problem that goes with it and say, oh, 10 minus 9. Well, I know that 1 and 9 make 10, so 10 minus 9 must be 1. Okay, if you have 10 minus 3, well, I know 3 and 7 make 10, so 10 minus 3 must be 7. It's kind of like the opposite. Go backwards for subtraction. All right, good luck today.